and this is it. It feels like all of it's made out of plastic for the most part, and it's actually really lightweight, so cool. Shouldn't have an issue with the camera falling with me inserting this lens on just because of how lightweight it is. Get it a little closer just to, all right. So let me go ahead and cut this on and see what I can see. So that's the field of view that you're looking at right here, which is fairly wide. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Viltrox 20mm F2.8 full frame lens for Nikon cameras. So quick look at the front of the box. That being the case, I'll go ahead and get this out of the box. To give you an idea of what I'm currently shooting on, I'm using the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, which is a micro four thirds camera, but I'm using a 10mm lens. And the reason why I mentioned that it's a micro four thirds is because that 10mm lens, essentially, if you were to convert that to a full frame, it's pretty much 20mm. So the goal is that this pretty much gives me that same field of view, but we'll see. So it looks like in the box you get a nice little case to carry the lens in. Not protective, but seems like a nice material. Then here goes the lens. All right, this is actually really small, which is nice because the 10mm lens that I have for Laowa was also pretty small. Nice, they packaged it well. Cool. All right, set that over there. And this is it. At a glance, filling the lens cap or hood, shade, or whatever you want to call it, I can feel that that's made out of plastic. It feels like all of it's made out of plastic for the most part, and it's actually really lightweight, so cool. Shouldn't have an issue with the camera falling with me inserting this lens on just because of how lightweight it is. Get it a little closer just to, all right. There we go. So nice. What I'll go ahead and do is bring out the Nikon ZR that I have, and I'll go ahead and throw this on to get a feel for what it looks like. So I'll line that up and I'll go ahead and pop that off. And that's the profile that you're working with from the side, right? From up top, that's what you're seeing. So let me go ahead and cut this on and see what I can see. So that's the field of view that you're looking at right here, which is fairly wide, but I don't know. I'll know more so when it's in the same position as my current camera. Something that I'm curious about is if I set this down, will it fall over? Okay. Well, I think it only fell because I have this Arca Swiss plate at the bottom of it. So let me actually take that off real quick. Okay, sweet. The no flop challenge holds. With just the lens on it, the camera has enough weight to not fall over, so sweet. All right, so I'm gonna put this in roughly the same position as my current camera and get a sense of the field of view shooting on this. So give me 1 second. All right, so right now I have the Viltrox 20mm F2.8 lens on the Nikon ZR, and it's in a close position, same distance away from me as the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera that you were just first seeing me on. And this is what the field of view looks like. I want to say it's pretty close. Pretty freaking close. Yeah, just about everything that I could see with the 10mm distance, I can see with the distance that's currently in place. So looks nice in my opinion. But that's pretty much it. Let me know if you found this video helpful regarding the first impressions and a idea look of how this looks in a studio environment. If you're at all interested in checking out this lens, I will have affiliate links in the description. As always, folks, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.